Hello, my name is Russ Merrick. I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing facility of Tried Merrick Machine Company here in Nebraska. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you the 9700 series machine. It's generally referred to, this particular model, as the 9715 SW for wood or steel doors. What I'm going to do for you today is go through some of the features. Our operator is going to be Mr. Jim Janke. He's going to go through and operate the machine, and I'll point out a few things as we go. Okay, Jim, go ahead and come on in. One of the things we're going to point out for with doors with exceptionally hard lock blocks in them, when you're doing your lock bore or for a deadbolt, we're actually drilling through half the skin at one time. This helps eliminate the egg-shaped oval that comes up from time to time. We have a fixed stop on the back side of the machine to eliminate, just to cut through one skin at a time. You adjust the knob one more time. Now we're going through the second skin. Now it's successfully completed through the second skin. Jim's going to go ahead, drill for your strike hole, go around to the back side of the machine, and do the rest of our operation.
Bryce, 123 please. Bryce, 123.
We shift to the next series of stops. The stops that we have for you are spring-loaded. There's a thumb screw on the top position and a spring in here, so each one can automatically spring out. If you want to push one back and get it out of the way, tighten down the thumb screw. If you want to release, let go of the thumb screw, tighten the thumb screw once again. Then you can just push your door up against that fixed stop. Okay, Jim, go ahead. Okay, we come in, we clamp. Once again, for lock blocks that are extremely hard, we recommend that you cut through one skin at a time. Notice closely, we've cut through one skin. We position the handle that Jim is moving right now towards him in order to cut through the second skin. And once again, the reason for that is to eliminate the egg-shaped holes that happen from time to time with real hard lock blocks. And the reason that's done is because of bit deflection. We have an incredibly long bit that's on there. Drill for the strike hole. Okay. We use the next series of stops. Get the door into position. Push it up against the back stops. Come on over, clamp. We also have a side clamp on this side of the machine. Fingers actually index up and down. So when you hit the clamp operation, they come in, and this is adjustable for different widths of doors, whether that's a 4-foot or a smaller door down to a 2.0, for instance. They automatically come in, push and clamp the cylinders up against your two back stops. Okay, Jim just successfully did the faceplate operation. All right. Nice and tight. We come back in, we clamp. You notice the fingers raised one more time. Fingers raised up. We push the door against the fixed stop. The template also came down and clamped. So he's doing both his lock bore and his deadbolt mortise at this time. Manual operation, very smooth and easy cycle. Okay, unclamp. Reposition the door, realign your stops. Now for light cutouts. For the actual light cutouts, you would position the door on top of the bed. The bed, by the way, is oak boards that we have for you that can be replaced at any one time. Oak boards are carried in stock. We have quite an elaborate template we're going to demonstrate with. This particular template is laid on top of the door. There are end clamps on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Those are actually lifted up, placed on top of the door to not only hold the door, but also hold the door and the template together. Now, right now, Jim just went through and we have a quick pin release system here, and we actually shifted the template. The reason we shifted the template is so we can get to the maximum amount of light that may be required for one of your orders. Okay, Jim. You just now clamped it by pushing the button, so we've engaged both the down clamp cylinders. The door is secure as well as the template. One of the things you'll notice on this particular machine, you'll see that the head is oscillating up and down. This oscillating head feature we've had out for several years, and what we're trying to do here is increase the bit life. Now, for all your light openings, there's no wood backup block, or lock block, for instance. So you can go ahead and plunge all the way through the entire door, both skins. You'll notice the ease of operation of which Jim pushes this through. Shifts it over, lifts up the handle, engages the head. We also run air pressure along the tip of the bit to increase cooling life. Excellent job. Go ahead and cut us a big one if you would, Jim. Would you cut the larger light cut out if you would, sir? Jim just successfully completed 3 small light cutouts. He turned the air on once again, initiated the head, and begins to go forward. Fairly quick operation. We make a multitude of different operations, different assemblies that are available to be used on the 9700 series equipment. When the operator is successfully done, he will engage. We have a park area in the back, which is the red pocket that we have here for you, to position the head. Or there's a magnet, and the magnet is located on the side of the head, of which you can park it in the home position up against our angle iron block on the main frame. Once you get done, you would remove the template, take the door, unload it. Okay. Good job, Jim. This is our 9700 series machinery that we have for you. For other options that are available, other features can go with it, such as roller conveyor or door carts. Please call the factory at 1-800-666-7886 or call our regular number at area code 308-384-1780. Our sales coordinator is Cheryl Whitlock at extension 133, and our sales manager is Tom Schropp at extension 126. Thank you.